Don't forget Ganesh.
Oh. Glad I brought this. Through here. Magnificent.
All this grandeur, hidden away from the world.
But how do we get over there? Come on, it's deep enough. Okay. That's our way back in.
Copy that. Thanks for going first, eh?
You're welcome.
Hi. You all right?
Sorry, I just need to get my head back in the game and I'll be... Hey! Nadine Ross! Oh my god. What the hell?
Your head back in the game now?
Oh, smart ass.
Ready?
I've got my eye on you. It's kind of a tight squeeze here. Oh, hello. Nice city you've got here.
We can swing over now.
Oh, whole place is flooded.
Top of a doorway over here.
That'll work. Okay. Easy does it.
Now,
What?
got water in my ears.
I hate that.
What I wouldn't give for a towel. My God. Are you seeing this?
You know, at this point, I've run out of words.
Holy goddamn shit.
That's what?
What on earth is this place?
A throne room, place to hide a magnificent bejeweled tusk.
Let's hope so. I see stairs going up. But they're mostly broken.
I'll have to find another way up. Shit. I
Think I'm going to this?
bet we're gonna need that disc soon.
Exactly.
Well, not much we can do until we find a salve.
Or until he finds us. Way up?
Looking. Nothing to climb this way. Over here, Nadine.
Copy that.
Ah, now we're getting somewhere.
I see a few more of those cranks around the chamber.
I'll give this a spin.
Hand is moving.
Be more specific.
Right hand. Lower. Right hand. Maybe it's because this statue's enormous. But I just now noticed Shiva's got a king cobra for a necklace.
That's Vasuki, a king of the Nagas. Entities that take the form of the king cobra. It shows his control over fear and death.
Cobras were always my favorite snake.
Don't think I have a favorite snake. Now what's that up there?
One thing at a time.
Right.
Okay, now what?
Well, there's got to be more to this. Just need to figure out what it is. Aha! Here we go. Okay, I've got this one.
I've got this one.
Teamwork! Shiva lending a hand again? And here comes Shiva's drum.
What's that noise?
Dunno. We'd better get a move on.
Coming.
Come on, jump to the drum.
Thought it was an hourglass.
It's an hourglass-shaped drum. Hey, hey now.
Grab onto something.
Okay, steady. Oh, and we're good. Time to see what's up there.
Just don't get killed.
Not up to me. What? Oh. Huh.
It's running all the way down to the hang.
That's cool. Bet I need to do the same on the other side.
Safe bet. I'll wait here.
Sure thing. Ah, there's another crank up ahead. Damn, that's crazy.
Are you doing that?
No, the statues come to life.
That's what I thought.
Okay, I better get a move on. No going back now. Oh no! Oh no! 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 Oh, good suggestion. Ah, that was a close one. Nearly destroyed my pants. Wow. I can see my house from here. All right then. There we go. Oh, hello.
Fancy meeting you here.
Yeah, let's see what's up there, shall we?
Is that it?
We'll find out in a moment.
That sounds promising.
Yeah. Third eye of Shiva. The light is shining on that statue across the way.
Guess we're not done.
When the Hoysala want to protect something, they don't do it halfway. Come on. Now, what's all this then?
it's holding. It's a prison. You were right.
Of course I was. About what?
What you said, back in that place with all the statues and axes. Things always come in threes. 3 points of a trident, the light split into 3 beams, and Shiva's third eye.
You know about Shiva's third eye?
Yeah. Wisdom.
Mm-hmm. And destruction. He only opens it to impart one or the other.
Ugh, hope it's wisdom.
Yeah, not with our luck.
That looks right.
Yeah. Now, we tend to the other two. Huh. The light's hitting the statue, but nothing's happening.
Look up. The statue's not in the right place.
Ah, right. Nadine, be a dear.
We're ahead of you.
Got it. Thank you.
Time to do the other side.
Well, shit. This one's busted.
Let me see. Hang on.
You got that?
Yeah. There.
You make a phenomenal statue.
Get over there. This thing's heavy.
Right.
Really?
Really?
Careful. That ledge doesn't look sturdy.
Copy that. Okay, that did something.
So I can put this down?
No, wait for it.
What's happening? I can't see from over here.
Just hold still for just a sec. All this water, it's a cleansing ritual.
What's happening?
Oh, you can put down the mirror now.
They found us! Get ready!
Shit! Oh, no, no, no!
Get up here! You good?
Got enough, go! We need the disc.
There's no way out of this!
Well, now that was quite the fall. You had me worried. Come, it's time for a reunion. He wouldn't give you up, despite my efforts to persuade him.
Sam! Jesus.
Hey, you made it.
Dude.
It's all right. He is like a girl.
Is that right? How about we get these cuffs off and I'll show you how girls hit.
The hell is she doing here?
You said find help, I gotta help.
Yeah.
I must admit, you are quite the schemer. First you steal my disc, then you have your expert run me around in circles, huh? That's clever. Perhaps there's a little Indian blood in you after all.
Sure. I'll take the credit.
Well, let's finish what we started.
All right, all right. So, Nadine Ross.
Don't talk to me.
I was gonna say, you look good.
Was I not clear? What's that smell?
Oh, I'm sorry. I haven't exactly had access to running water and soap recently. All the people you could have brought with you.
She saved my ass more than once, you know.
You do remember that she also tried to kill Nathan and I many, many times.
And to be fair, you two tried to do the same to her.
Yeah, but that's not the point. The point is that the second we turn our backs, there will be a knife in there.
I can hear every word you're saying.
I know!
I trust her.
You know what? Fine. I guess I'm just a little bit irked that we are walking away with nothing. But I guess you know what that's like, right?
Oh, my
Real classy, thank you.
time and place, children.
More where that came from.
Bike racks after school.
Just hurry up.
That's ominous.
It appears the kings have one final test.
Looks like you won't be needing us, though, so we'll just be on our
On the
way.
contrary. Surely you know the story. You see, Shiva gave Parashuram the mighty axe that struck Ganesh in the face, bringing Shiva's son, one of the greatest of the gods, to his knees. Another casualty of war.
Don't.
Seriously, Chloe, he's just gonna kill him!
He's right. But if you refuse, you will watch them die, inch by inch.
All right!
Chloe, don't!
Okay, let's see what we got. Shiva and Parashurama. Parashurama and Ganesh. What now?
Chloe, don't you give this schmuck what he wants.
Quiet. Testing my patience.
Wait a minute. He's yielding.
It's going to fall.
Quiet!
Ganesh, quite an obstacle you've placed in my path.
What are you doing?
Shut up and watch. He yielded. That's the key.
Are you all right?
Yeah. That was unexpected.
Holy shit, she's got balls, huh?
I don't understand.
It's an idiot.
That's because you've got it all twisted, my friend. Ganesh allowed himself to be struck by the axe.
That makes no sense.
Not to a selfish prick, no. You see, Ganesh could have defeated Parashurama easily. But if he had, that would have made Shiva's axe look weak, powerless.
Ganesh sacrificed himself to preserve his father's honor.
See, even she gets it, not a drop of Indian blood in her.
Magnificent, isn't it? Oh, what? Nothing to say now?
Oh, if you like, I can tell you where to stick it.
Well, my friends, I would love to kill you myself, but we must not anger the gods, for you have brought me a great fortune.
Okay, then what are you doing?
You're going to flood the chamber.
I will miss you.
Come on, is this really necessary?
You know, nothing is ever truly destroyed, only purified and reborn.
Just shoot us and get it over with.
Right?
As the water fills your lungs, you will have time to reflect on the choices that brought you here. Perhaps in your next lives, you will fare better.
Prick.
I don't know about you guys, but I got a lot of regrets swimming around in my head right now.
Tell me about it. I was really looking forward to kicking your ass again.
Hey, you know, I'm not exactly thrilled about drowning next to you either.
Could you give it a rest, guys? I'm trying to concentrate.
What are you doing?
A little preparation goes a long way.
Haha, yes!
Got it. Hold on.
Okay, don't do me!
Coming! Damn it! Ladies first!
Chloe, dear, not to rush you, but could you please hurry the hell up?
Take a deep breath!
Everyone good?
No waterlogged.
Doing great. I gotta quit smoking.
Down! Think they saw us?
Let's hope not.
How the hell did Asaf get that helicopter?
Maybe it's the buyers.
What do you mean?
Just overheard Asaf talking about heading to the old rail yard. Something about an arms deal.
He's selling the tusk.
So much for preserving his culture.
Hey, just a second. Listen, back there. Thanks for...
Professional courtesy.
Of course. So, are we good?
No.
I figured.
If we hurry, we can intercept them before they make the sale. Huh. And there's our ride.
These are nice.
There. Railroad tracks.
Stop here.
Asaf will have lookouts throughout the area. Best store on the side of caution.
Right. And then we lose the tusk.
You're welcome to stay behind
I'm
if you
just
like.
saying
All
that
right,
maybe...
all right. Less talking, more walking.
So all that time in Asaf's care and you couldn't get any intel on the buyers?
Well, I tried. Asaf's a cagey one. Almost never talks shop in front of me.
Can't imagine why.
Hey, he trusted me enough to believe I was an expert on all this hoist style